Hello guys, welcome to the Real FX YouTube channel. On this channel we focus on bringing you the most valuable free forex content. The content we bring to you is content that you are most likely to pay for somewhere else. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. On this one, obviously, as you've seen the title, we're gonna be talking about break of structure, what break of structure is, and how do we use a break of structure. What does it signify? So let's say we are in a downtrend. Where do we spot our break of structure? In a downtrend, where do we spot our break of structure? So if we are in a downtrend, our break of structure is usually a sign that the trend is continuing. So it's a trend continuation signal. This will be labeled as our break of structure. So it's a signal of trend continuation. So as you know, in a downtrend we have lower lows and lower highs. This is a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. So in a downtrend, a break of structure is a push to the downside, taking out the previous low. So this would be a break of structure. This would be a break of structure. And also this would be a break of structure. There's nothing much complicated about the break of structure. It's just taking out the previous high if we're in an uptrend, or taking the previous low if we're in a downtrend. So this would be a break of structure. So this is on a downtrend, and then the same is happening on an uptrend. Let's say we are creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then higher high. So here in this case, our break of structure exists here. When you take out this high over here, that is our break of structure. That is our break of structure. When you take out this low high here, that is a signal of trend continuation, and then that is a break of structure. And then when you also take out this one here, that is still a break of what? That is still a break of structure. But now I'm going to show you what is not a break of structure. I'm going to show you what is not a break of structure. For example, let's say we are in a downtrend, and then we see something like this, and then the market pushes a little bit up, and then we continue going down. Now this here, it's not a break of structure. This does not give us a signal that the market is continuing. So for it to be a break of structure, we must take out the previous low, and this is not the previous low, so we must take out this low over here. And immediately when we take out this low over here, that's when it becomes a break of structure. That's when it becomes a break of structure. So we must see something like this. The market must move from this point to all the way to the downside. Now that is a break of structure. This here is a break of structure of the internal structure that is happening within. So we cannot call this as a major break of structure. The break of structure, this which signifies the continuation of this whole trend here, is the one taking place at this low, not the one that is taking place on this low, because this one is the break of structure of the internal structure. So let's go to the charts and try to spot these break of structures. break of structures happen on every chart, guys. Any chart, as long as it's something that you can trade, there's always a break of structure. If you look on this trend here, on this chart here, we are in an uptrend. So here the break of structure, that's a break of structure. We continue going to the upside, we pushed back, we had this here, push, breaking structure, we pushed to the downside, and then we had a push to the upside. So that's what was happening down there. So this here is a break of structure. Remember, break of structure is a signal that the market is continuing with the trend, and then a change of character is a signal that the market now wants to change the trend. And if you don't know anything about change of character, please look on my previous videos. I did post a video teaching about the change of character. And if you also want to know about change of character and what is a supply and demand flip, also check one of the videos on my YouTube channel. If you also want to know what is a breaker block, what are the other blocks that are used by professionals in trading, you can also find that in some of the videos I've already posted. So this here is a change of character. As you can see, USD CHF has given us a signal that is continuing with the trend. So since now it has broken structure, what we expect now is a pullback. So we expect a pullback into into the points of interest on this zone here. We have multiple points of interest, some of them being order blocks, some of them being breaker blocks. So if you want to know more about the points of interest, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely make a video about that. So here what we're expecting is for the market to start pushing to the downside, and then maybe to this zone here. It looks like a good point of interest, and then start shooting upwards. And then we expect it to start shooting upwards. That is what we expect from the USD CHF. That is what we expect from the USD CHF. So this is what I was talking about. As you can see here, we did break structure. We did break structure here, and then we started pushing to the upside, and then we started retracing to the downside. And now this here, it's not a break of structure of the original trend, but it's a break of structure of the internal trend that we have here. These are the break of structures of the internal trend. Remember, guys, within every trend there are small trends. In every big trend there are small trends, so you must know which ones are the major break of structures and what I will call small trends break of structures. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment if you enjoyed